Hey, I'm Loris, the finance freak. Let's simplify money and investments. No freaking financial words, just fun and clarity. Learning finance doesn't have to be boring. Join me as I simplify money and investments in the most fun way possible. Want to level up your piggy bank and enjoy the process? Stick around for clear, fun tips to build your ultimate portfolio. To invest money, from stocks and bonds to ETFs and more. Markets go up, down, and sideways, but they grow over time. Don't freak out over a bad day. Just like roller coasters, they end up where they're meant to. Successful investing is like good coffee, it takes time to brew. I'm not a broker or investment advisor, just an educator simplifying finance. All investment choices are yours. With 20 years in the stock market game, a bunch of finance diplomas, and a knack for keeping it simple, I'm here to make investing easy and fun because I get it, and so will you. With a master's in finance and a near complete PhD in economics. Yep, I'm that nerdy about the stock market. My passion is sharing what I've learned in a way that's not boring. Imagine a big shop where you buy parts of a company. These parts are called stocks. You can also buy and sell other things like loans, which are called bonds. People trade to try and make more money. They hope the value of what they buy will go up. There are two types of markets. In the first market, you buy stocks directly from the company. In the second market, you buy stocks from other people. Sometimes companies share their profits with you. This is called a dividend. You need someone to help you buy and sell stocks. This is called a broker. Brokers can be special companies or even banks. It's important to find a good broker who can help you make smart choices. A good broker is like a good friend who helps you. Stick with trustworthy brokers like banks and big investment companies. Do your research. Check their history, fees, and online reviews before you trust them with your money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips on managing your money smarter.
Pencil pushes paper trails down in his suit, he'll never drown. Number nerd in the